Dear student, welcome to all of you. Today we are going to reading about Unit 4 Science and Grammar by D.H. Lawrence. Summary Chapter 15. Now let me start. Chapter 15. Body is die but soul is immortal. Clara goes with Davis to Seafield and Paul hardly sees her after that. Paul and Morel cannot bear to be alone in the house together. So Paul moves to Nottingham and Morel lives with another family in Westwood. Paul loses the drive to paint and spends his time drinking in drinking in bars. One night he comes home late and while watching two mice nibble crumb of food, urges himself to leave for his mother's sake. However, it is a half-hearted attempt. He knows that he wants to die. Next paragraph will comment that he sees Miriam at church one Sunday and feels comfortable by her. She goes home with him to eat supper. She compliments him on his old sketches and says she will soon become together at the farming college in Burton. She suggested they get married, but he does not want to. He gives her some flowers before he takes her to her cousin's house. Next paragraph we comment that it is last paragraph, unit 4. Paul's feeling lost. Paul's feeling lost wonders where he will go next. He called out to his mother, longing to touch her. He resolves not to give in to the darkness, and he walked resolutely back to town. Thank you.